got a different build there. We got a build going inside of a case we have not built in, kind of like an 011 dynamic height Y40 vibes, but micro ATX or mini ITX only. And it's gonna be pretty high end, 4070. I think a 12th Gen i7. And then we're loading it up with Arctic ARGB fans, which is also something we don't normally do.
Perfect.
This build's all kinds of outside of our comfort zone.
Welcome everybody. Yeah, this is a nice build. I'm excited to build in this GIM case, the GM3 Mini, which, to be honest, is another 011 Dynamic clone, but this wasn't like the 011 Dynamic Mini because it's micro ATX. How was the quote-unquote meeting day? We had meetings. We're starting our Black Friday prep for PC Bros.
Got some good sale ideas. What's your all's favorite colors? I really like, because I know it's for a controller. I mean, my favorite color, if anyone asks me, is usually black, which I know people say it's not a color, but I really like black. And it could be kind of cool to have like a Toasty Bros themed one, maybe black and green. I don't know if that's
I
like
told him
Toasty
Bros themed is what I mentioned. Like, that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, I mean, unless you want to do honk, unless you want to do something different, just let us know. But I think normally I'd pick like black and like a blue or something like that. But
because I'd probably use it here, especially during like the streams and when we benchmark and stuff.
Yeah.
So it'd be cool to have like a themed one.
Thank you, Rail, for you. We've been railed.
You no longer choose on thumbsticks. Good.
Oh, really? That's good.
We've progressed.
Have you been like flavoring them differently? So they're not as like chewable?
Like the Nintendo game cartridges where they put like that acid on it or whatever.
Do they do that?
Yeah, they put like a very bitter agent on there.
It's like sucking on them or something?
Yeah, it's really small, so. Are y'all ever gonna do a settings video for video games? What do you mean by that?
That's more of like a, if we ever do something like that, it'd probably be on PC Bros or Toasty DIY.
Yes.
Honestly, Toasty Bros Gaming would be a good spot for that too.
We did talk about, a video where we kind of mentioned like what settings are important for people to turn off and stuff. Because there's a lot of settings people don't know about where they're like, wow, my PC's running like ass.
Yeah, people, it's funny, we've actually had like some nurses and, just people that are in like a pretty normal work field come in and like buy gaming keyboards from us because they're like, yeah, I mean, this is, I do data entry like all day, so I want to enjoy the typing experience. I'm like, hey, man. What is the name of the rafting screwdriver you're using? I assume you mean ratcheting, but these are LTT screwdrivers. Linus Tech Tips, the YouTuber, made their own screwdriver, and they mass produce them. Well, technically, I guess another company mass produces them.
Somebody missed. What case is that? This is the GIM or GIM or GIM, whatever you want to call it, GM3 Mini. One of the many 011 Dynamic clones on the market. I know we've been hesitant to get these before because a lot of these are they're still cheaper than the 011 Dynamic, but they're close and they don't come with any fans. So like, if you have like RGB fans and stuff, then it's good. Like what is this one price at right now? It's like 89, which
so $90. And
it's fine.
It literally comes with just the case. The big selling point and like reason why I bought it was because I've always liked the 011 Dynamic, but you really have two options. You have the 011 Dynamic and then the 011 Dynamic Mini, which I believe supports micro and mini ITX.
The Mini also supports full, but it has that one issue with the
yeah, and the Mini's really big. Like it's definitely bigger than this case. It probably weighs more. So this is kind of like an attempt at like a let's see if we can make this thing look really good without breaking the bank. Like this Z790M is obviously a fairly cheap Z790. It's no built-in I/O, and it's not a super just fancy looking board. Like everything else I bought was kind of just a little more basic. Like I definitely could have spent more, but this one was kind of like a let's make this thing look really good. Look like it's a $4,000 or $5,000 build, but it's only going to be $19.50.
Which, by the way, Girthy, we'd love to have you up here for the stream in the morning too, but do keep in mind once we finish it, we will need like an hour or two to get everything set up, make sure stress test before we hand it off to you to go. So just kind of plan on, if you're going to make the drive up here, find some stuff to do around the area, go see some things, and come back afterwards, or you can just hang out if you want to, but we don't really have a great spot just to like...
There is always a chance a component is bad.
There's a theoretical chance something is bad. If that happens, then... You came and said hi, but when you stress test with benchmarking, do you have SSD with games and programs? No. The only reason we don't do that is because, I've thought about trying it again. Now I take it back. I thought about trying it again, but the only reason we haven't done it is because, one, over time, even if you have an AMD and Intel one, over time it just starts getting corrupted with like uninstalling drivers over and over again if you are using a Windows install with games preloaded. And then two, if you're testing it, if you have some time between testing, games that we test regularly have massive updates already, so you're already going to have to download an update that's like 20 plus gigs. So it's about the same as just downloading the games individually every single time. But I've thought about doing it again because with the volume of videos we're doing, that second part might not be as important because I feel like within a day, normally there won't be like a big update within one day. And it may speed up the process, but I don't know. And also, certain game launchers don't let you pull games from a library on a secondary drive. I know Steam will let you, and Battle.net will, but Fortnite won't, which is one we always have to manually reinstall. So,
dude, in Jedi, I was talking to him. I think it was on the Sunday stream, and I think it's crazy. He hasn't met the sub requirement, but he has the watch time already.
That's normally backwards.
Yeah. I'm like, we've never managed to do that.
My fans say 4% isn't up the discount. Here we go.
What?
4% is definitely our highest discount we offer. Even the Toasty Bros one is 2%. So
yeah, 4%'s like massive.
yeah, if you consider a $100 item, like that's a really big discount.
It's $40.
Yeah.
And most builds we make between like, I'd say $50 and $150 total profit.
How many ad spots upgraded bro from a 1660 Ti to a 7700 in Jedi? I don't know if we want to do any like PC part trade deals for ad spots right now, but because we don't really keep that graphics card either, or any real high-end graphics card. But yeah, maybe in the future, if we see some return, we'll think about it. We'll give you some presents. By the way, guys, if you didn't see, I updated our sub goal, which, as always, we like to get subs throughout the stream. If you guys aren't at the requirement for your toast yet, that's going to join toast for the giveaway stream next Friday. You can always sub, and that will get you to the toast requirement.
What is the goal right now?
I put it to 50 this time. I think we did like 30 last time.
Yeah, we got it.
And we got it, so we're going to bump with the 50. 50! See if we hit 50 before the next big stream next week. How's everyone doing with their toast? We got a little over a week to go until the giveaway stream. We should be building the giveaway PC Friday, which we'll probably do a longer stream Friday because I'm thinking maybe that'll be our thing because I know before we were talking about having like a long stream before the...
Well, it would definitely be long because we're talking about doing...
that build. Yeah, it looks like it's Thursday.
Ooh, wait, so if we do that... I saw the person who bid and I'm like, wait, is that not even Goodwill? Is that like a random person selling a PC?
I don't know many people who act. That's good. Thank you so much.
I mean, his other friend was like, give me a high zero. Held up. No. I want to find an Optiplex from PC Bros on a firm.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. No, I have no clue if I have all this stuff plugged in.
Woo!
These back two fans are not spinning.
This one's not spinning.
Oh, yeah, CPU. Oh, wait, I need to plug in the...
Wow. It looks like you didn't plug in your CPU fan header.
You didn't plug in the core header, McAllister.
Core header? No, that's not. It's CPU power. Thank you. Yeah, I know things. There's HD audio missing the little pin in it. I don't know what it is. I'm telling you, the last video really did actually go in my brain.
It's like the first time you've ever paid attention to anything.
It somehow it really is. It really did click in my brain. I'm like, wow, this is kind of easy. This PC built-in thing.
He's like,
it was the first time I thought that.
He looks at us now like, y'all ain't shit.
No, I literally remember talking to Matt about the whole idea, and I remember Matt had a lot of confidence in you all, and I'm glad that he had that. But I remember, you can ask Matt, I had he was like, well, McAllister's been editing the videos for so long, like he knows by now. And I was like, dude, McAllister will talk to me and ask me questions about PCs that like I know we answer every video. So I'm like, I don't think he pays
But
that
now
much
he
attention.
watched that guy and he's ready for the next.
I'm trying to be like in Jedi. The only reason I'm gonna have kids is to raise an army.
That's it. Make rat noises. There we go. That's my rat noises. Have fun with Konami. Y'all take care.
These pickup lines are good.